Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautiful 10-bedroom, 7-bathroom home is situated in an ideal location. This beautifully designed home provides an awesome panoramic view of the town of Mandeville and its environs. The home sits on quarter-acre of fruited land in the desirable community of Monticello Park, Mandeville. The main property consists of 7 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen, family room. Property also has a 3-bedroom self-contained apartment. Other great features of this home are the attention to the details, quality design and style, a spacious pool, extremely spacious rooms and other amenities. With a home like this, your investment would be well spent. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house in pound is $680,000. In US, it's $887,600 or Jamaican $136.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.